I want to take a moment to show you how to reset Windows 11 to factory defaults. To do so, click on the Start button, type Settings, and then click on Settings in the search results. When the window opens, Systems should already be selected in the left column. On the right, click Recovery. Under Recovery Options, you should see Reset this PC. Click Reset PC. When the Reset this PC window opens, you'll see two options. The first, Keep My Files, lets you reset Windows, removing apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. The second option, Remove Everything, completely resets Windows back to factory defaults, the same condition that your computer was in when you first took it out of the box. I'm going to select Remove Everything. Next, you have two options to reinstall Windows. The first is Cloud Download, which downloads the install files from Microsoft and uses those to reinstall Windows. This will use some of your storage space, but is a good option if the recovery partition on your computer was corrupted somehow. The second option, Local Reinstall, installs from the recovery partition on your computer. I'm going to choose Local Reinstall. On the next screen, by default, Windows is set to only remove your apps and files, but not clean your drive. If you want to change this, you can by clicking Change Settings. On the left is an option to clean data, and it's currently set to No. You can click the toggle to change it to Yes if you'd like, but the restore process may take several hours if you use this option. It's usually only recommended if you are selling or giving away your computer. If you're keeping your computer, you can leave Clean Data set to No. Whatever you choose to do, click Confirm when you're done, and then click Next. Windows will let you know that it's now ready to reset your PC and gives you a summary of what it's about to do. Remember that all of your files and applications are going to be erased. When you're ready, click Reset. It may take some time as Windows prepares the reset process. Once it's done, your computer will restart on its own and begin the process of resetting your PC. This will likely take some time, depending on your computer, and may restart on its own along the way, but won't require any interaction from you. Once it's finished, it'll load into the Windows 11 setup process, and you'll be able to set your computer up again the same as you did when you turned it on for the very first time. If you have any questions, you can always visit the Acer community or our Acer support site, and don't forget to subscribe.